Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and I kind of just wanted to jump on a rant of some sorts. Okay, so one of the things about YouTubers, the smaller tech tubers and whatnot, we're faced with this one giant wall that we always run into. It's inevitable. If you start a YouTube channel and you're going to talk about tech, and you're going to talk about smartphones, you're going to hit this wall. Concerned with being biased, with being just, you know, a fanboy, whatever you want to call it. And I think at the end of the day, when it comes down to things like this, it's not a very big thing to make a fuss about. Like, these are smartphones. I've never really understood the reason why people got so upset about smartphones. Like, if somebody said something about a particular smartphone, a particular brand, and everyone has to just race in and argue about it. They're just phones. Mind you, these phones don't even last long on their pedestals. It's like when they first come out, they reach their pedestal. They're like, oh my God, they're so great, they're so glorious, the best phone ever. And then 3 months later, it's like, it's yesteryear's thing. When it comes to smartphones in this tech industry, everybody has a surefire case of ADHD. You like the phone, it's good for you, it's good to go, you love it, you can talk everything good about it. But then all of a sudden, oh, this phone's here. Oh, okay. Put this one down, and now I'm going to hold this one. That's how it is. And so I never really understood why there was a reason for people to actually argue about this, okay? First off, my channel is not like most channels, okay? What separates it is, I guess I don't use high-value production stuff because I'm not trying to be a movie star. I am just trying to make videos talking about tech. So, am I a bit biased when it comes to certain phones that I review or phones that I talk about? Yeah, hell yeah, I'm biased. I'll open and admit I'm biased to a degree. I will never undercut another phone's capabilities or what it's, you know, being praised for or good for. Those things will always remain. I may not like the phone, but I will give it its appraisals for what it does good. But at the end of the day, it's just phones. It's just phones, everybody. It's nothing to really get all upset about. It's nothing to lose your hair over. They're just phones. And as much as people argue for these phones, the same people who argue and complain about these phones will eventually move on to the next phone. And then that phone that they fought so hard for against other YouTubers was all for nothing. So I guess what I'm trying to say in this short little video is don't sweat the small shit. Like what you like. If you're biased about a brand, so what? You're biased about a brand. Enjoy it. Use that brand. Love the brand. And who cares what anyone else thinks? Right? So, to all my fellow YouTubers out there who catch grief because they're fans of Samsung, they're fans of LG, they're fans of OnePlus, they're fans of the Pixel, or maybe, you know, they never got any of the Pixels, but they got the Pixel 3a. Like, don't sweat the small crap that gets thrown your way in negativity. Like, brush off that negative energy and stay positive. Keep making those videos. There are those who enjoy it, and those are the ones you should be focused on. And for all the other people out there who have the ADHD case and are arguing hard for a certain phone, take a step back and really think what you're fighting for. Because what you're fighting for doesn't amass goodness and greatness for humanity. You're just trying to prove a point and win an argument for winning sakes. And at the end of the day, it leads you nowhere. So that's it for my rant, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Drop a like if you guys agree. Drop a dislike if you disagree. Let me know why, and I will talk to y'all later. And as always, aloha.